Hola! Mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Madam Chrissy at John Vlogs. On today's vlog, I will mention the different products that I use. Shall we say travel essentials or my personal choice? So join me and I will show you around. I'm here in Grand Central Hotel. We're going to the toilet and I'll show you what products that I use, and you might also using it. So just comment down below if we have the same product or the cosmetics that we use on our daily life basis. And of course, I'm very glad I'm still here in Dubai for my holiday, and I'll show you some of the beautiful spots in some other vlogs. And stay tuned. And for the meantime, let us talk about beauty products that I use. Yes, mga ka-ola. So, ayan. Nakikita naman natin ang sink at napupuno ng mga products. Siyempre, pag nagta-travel ako, I always bring a Dettol. Ayan. Kills 99% of the bacteria. So, ayan. Kills 99%. And spray and wear instant refreshes clothes. And then, by air as well. So, I always bring this. At syempre, very important, meron tayong, ayan, ang ating mouthwash. Diba? And then along with that, importante rin ang panglinis ng tenga, diba? I still use that one kasi pwede rin sa pusod, diba? Tapos, meron akong travel essential na favorite ko. Ito yung collagen. It deep cleanses my face. Kasi syempre, golden age na tayo, 51 na tayo. And of course, meron din akong retinol. Ayan, bago matulog, mag-retinol. Tapos, deodorant natin ang High Endurance Old Spice. Diba? Whatever I've got. So, ito yung dala ko ngayon. Ayan, Head and Shoulder. Bongga. Tapos, Dove. Actually, yung sabon, ayun, ayun, yung sabon. Tapos, Nivea for my lotion. Maliit lang siya, diba? Para pwedeng sa hand carry. Tapos, toothpaste, importante. Ito yung mentholated. Ayan, tapos olive gel. Diba? Para sa hair natin. Ayan. Then, I bring ito. Shout out kay Miss Leng Natividad. Itong Kat Kidston lip gloss. At meron akong suction bottle para sa lotion. Ayan. Pareho kami ni Ma'am Peachy. Clean and Clear. Deep Cleansing Facial Cleanser, diba? Ayan, syempre, ang toothbrush natin, ayan, ang shaper, importante. Then, perhaps maraming makakarelate dito, ang Myra Fresh Glow Facial Wash. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. I bought it in the Philippines. Diba? Tapos, syempre, importante yung essential natin, ang Nivea Skin. Diba? Ito yung fluid and visible. Ito yung sunscreen. Pero din akong ganito, 50%. Pareho siyang 50%. Ayan, importante ang sunscreen ngayon, mga ka-olas. Tapos, ayan, sa pouch ko, meron akong rest back. Another from Lacura, 50 plus as well, sunscreen. Importante yan. At syempre, kabibili ko lang to dito sa Dubai. Ito yung Indian Oil of Wintergreen. Ayan, diba? Sundew. And then, palagi akong may pouch bag kasi just in case, ang tissue nandyan, tapos, nandito yung ating essentials ko. Lip gloss. Ayan. So, nandyan lahat. At may nail cutter tayo. For sure, importante, may mga dala din kayo nail cutter. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, ang ating MAC powder. Diba? 42 yata ito. 42. Ayan. Tapos, ang ating walang kamatayang eyeliner. Pero syempre, nasa Dubai tayo, hindi tayo pag-eyeliner. Ayan, nakakaloka. Nakita nyo ang aking mga travel essentials. Comment down below kung talagang pareho tayo. At syempre, bongga yung lotion nila dito at saka hand wash sa hotel. Ayan. Parang, na rin toilet tour na rin dito, no? Diba? Laki ng bathtub nila. Bonggang-bongga ang hotel dito sa Grand Central. Diba? Lamesa pa lang, bonggang-bongga. This is your Madam Chrissy na nagsasabing, thank you so much for staying. Love you all!